So here we are with John Newman. John, welcome to Malta. It's first time in Malta?
Yeah, I believe it is, yeah. First time here. My wife's been here a lot. Her auntie lives here, so she travels here all the time. We were both really excited to come together, but yeah, situations change, but yeah.
How did your love for music start?
I think it just started from wanting to escape to somewhere different, from the realities of normal life and growing up in quite a small town in England. I started by producing, DJing at my friends' like kind of parties and things, and then later on started bringing in songwriting and singing, mainly because I couldn't find anybody to sing the tracks that I produced, so I wanted to start singing them myself, and then that just, yeah, I think times move on, you find new influences, but unfortunately when becoming successful finally I kind of got trapped in this person, in this style, so it's been really nice recently to try and go back to being that kid and break the mold again, you know.
In fact, I saw you had a pause from music about 2 years.
I've been paused, yeah, for about 2 years now. In the past year I've found myself inspired and influenced again and started working on things again. Got together this new live show, I found a whole new place where I want to be, managed to change my style without feeling like I was doing something wrong, you know, like I think you get so trapped as an artist in what people see you as successful, so look, if it doesn't work, then it doesn't work, and I gave it a shot, but it's better than getting trapped.
What about Love Me Again? Is that your biggest success?
Musically, I think for me, one of my proudest moments was Blame with Calvin Harris. I really enjoyed the process of making the song. It did so well in South America and globally, and I think it was somebody that had inspired me for many years as a musician to work with Calvin. So that's one of my proudest moments, and still I think it reacts really well. I mean, as a solo artist, yeah, I mean, Love Me Again probably is the biggest one, yeah, but time is still young, and we'll see what happens.
Also you have How Will I Do with David Guetta.
Yeah.
That's also a great one.
Yeah, it's been really good. It's been nice to give an introduction to what's next for me in a new area, and I've wanted to work with David for years, so it just all worked out great, and I'm such a huge Whitney Houston fan, so it was nice to give a new refresh to that, but yeah.
How did the COVID-19 affected the music industry?
It absolutely ripped it to shreds, so it's been difficult. It's been difficult for everybody, and do you know what, for me, fine, I can go home and make music, but it's these guys that make these things happen that, you know, it's been really hard for them. It's so nice to see the crews all again. It's so nice to be able to give people work, to be able to go away with them. So yeah, I can only give people credit and love that work within the industry, and the touring kind of crew members and musicians as well have really struggled.
New Year resolutions 2022?
Just keep on learning, man. Keep on getting more positive and keep on flushing out what's inside my brain, and everything will be alright.
Last message for youngsters and children who wish to embark on a successful career such as yours in music.
I think that's hard, first of all, to think I'm going to go on a successful one, but it's the thought that I had all along. I thought, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. So every day I woke up focused on what I wanted to achieve. I didn't know what it looked like, but I had a good idea, because we see it all day. So I think if you can get it inside and you can focus on it, how it feels, how it smells, and how you can make it happen, then there's something good to focus on. I think just believe in yourself, don't let somebody else distract you of what it should be and what it shouldn't be. It's a creative format, there's no right and there's no wrong, so just believe in what you do and it will work if you have that vision.
John Newman, thank you very much.
Thank you very
Happy
much.
New Year.
Nice to meet you too, thank you very much.